Hello and what's up and welcome. Happy New Year to you all. Tonight I'm going to show you how to install every subtitles for every movies and series and increase PC speed and clean RAM's cache. Without further ado, let's do this. Alright, we're on the PC. I'm going to show you how to install subtitles for every PC and series, okay? For example, I'm going to play this Supernatural. S11 means season 11, E means episode, okay? I'm going to play this, but before I load this, you must download KM Player. KM Player is the media player, okay? You can download at soft98.ir, but Windows Media Player cannot load subtitles. But this software, KM Player, can load subtitles, okay? We're going to play this and hold it, going to the menu, click File, Subtitles, load and certify means subtitle file, okay?
On April 21st, 1967, the 100 millionth GM vehicle rolled off the line at the plant in Janesville. 3 days later, another car rolled off that same line. This 1967 Chevrolet Impala would turn out to be the most important object in pretty much the whole universe.
Woo! Listen to her purr. This is the car you want.
Oh yeah? You know something about cars?
My dad told me everything about cars.
I know it's been a long time. Dean and I, we've been through a lot of bad. This is different. This is my fault, and I don't know how to fix it. We need your help, God. We need to know there's hope.
See, that's how subtitles works, okay? I'm gonna close this. Well, how do we get it from the internet, okay? I'm going to type in subtitles.com. There's a search bar right here. As you can see, you can type every movie, every series you want. Supernatural is already saved at the search bar, okay? What we're looking for, going to season 11. As you can see, there are lots of languages here, like Arabic, Portuguese, and English, okay? What we're looking for is the English language subtitles, okay? We're going to find Blu-ray file. There's the other thing. Blu-ray file, Blu-ray is the name of format. There are types of format files, okay? Blu-ray, B-ray, DVD rip, Webtel, H264, okay? We're going to download this Blu-ray file, download English subtitles. I've already downloaded that, okay? What we're going to do is going to unzip. It means extract, okay? Extract that I've already extracted, okay? What we're going to do, if you load subtitles permanently, okay, when you play this movie series, okay, by clicking this, rename and copy by pressing Ctrl+C, okay? After you copy it, and by clicking SRT file and paste by pressing Ctrl+V, okay? Continue.
On April 21st, 1967.
See? That's how it works permanently. Okay. Step 2. How do we increase RAM speed? PC speed and delete RAM's cache, okay? What all you have to do when you're gonna see how many RAM's cache has filled up, okay? By going to search bar, typing run task manager, okay? Task Manager. Task NGR, okay? By going to Performance tab, as you can see in memory. Memory means RAM. This is right here. It's cache. It's a 9.6 gigabyte. Okay, we're gonna clean it. What software do we have to use? The software is Memorodite, okay? Memorodite, you can download it at sub98.io, okay? By clicking this software, it shows this shield means run as administrator, okay? Clicking yes. By clicking this arrow, clean. By clicking standby list, as you can see, the RAM's cache has been cleaned, okay? Again, run your PC smooth, okay? What are we preventing from filling RAM? Okay? Clicking this search bar, going to the, this PC, clicking properties, advanced system settings, going to advanced tab, performance, and visual effects. You can set it for adjust for best performance. You can speed your PC up, okay, by going to the advanced tab, virtual memory right here, click change. There are 2 drives right here, and uncheck this. And uncheck this and click this custom size, initial size, okay? But and then set as recommended number, okay? 2,927, okay? 2,927, okay? When you set both of them, okay, but click OK, but do not put no paging file, okay? If you set no paging file and click OK, you will crash your PC, okay? After you've done that, click OK, click apply, and then or something there's another method, okay? I'll show you. But you have to disable unnecessary files. Unnecessary files can run your PC and use a lot of RAM, and they can slow your PC down. Okay? How to disable unnecessary apps? For example, by clicking this, it shows disable. Okay? You click this disable unnecessary apps. Okay? I already did that. Okay, here's the other one. To delete unnecessary files, okay? By going to C, where your Windows installed username, like me, Mark is a username, okay? Update. Update, as you can see, the folder shows hidden. But how do we enable hidden? I'll show you. By searching control panel, type in the search bar, type hidden folder, show hidden files and folders, okay? It shows hidden files and folders, okay? By enable, click this, show hidden files, folders and drives, okay? Then click apply and OK, okay? After you did that, we're going to update local temp file and delete all of them, okay? All of files. It's okay, doesn't matter. It works for Google Chrome. Doesn't matter. Just a second. And then going to C, Windows, temp file, and delete all unnecessary files, okay? And then here's the other one. Prefetch. Prefetch issue. If this shows this message, click continue, okay? And delete all of them. It doesn't matter. You can click this, empty your recycle bin. And that's it. Well guys, that's all for now. Then I showed you how to install subtitles, how to increase your PC speed and delete RAM's cache, how to enable hidden folders to delete unnecessary files, and I showed you disable unnecessary apps in your task manager. That's what I showed you, okay? But beware of this. Beware of this. When you download subtitles, beware of formats, okay? When you download something, WebDel, H264, whatever. But you have to looking for what formats SRT5s, I mean subtitle file. It must be suitable and match to load the subtitle, okay? If you download subtitles with different formats mistakenly, if you load it up, it will show delay, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this video useful for you, like and comment. I hope you guys have a good year. Peace.